This is a dehydration reaction, and to get this product, you first need to go under aldol addition, sorry. And this molecule is called alpha beta hydroxyaldehyde. And it's called alpha beta because our key components of this reaction involve this alpha bond, right? This alpha carbon, and this hydroxyl group, which is on the beta carbon, away from the carbonyl. I just wanted to say that just so you know how these names are actually made, because sometimes it's quite confusing. So how this reaction is going to start is, this is a dehydration reaction, means it's going to produce water. And the only way we can produce water is through this hydroxyl group. But this hydroxyl group cannot leave on its own, because if it leaves, it becomes OH minus. And good leaving groups are weak bases, and OH minus is a strong base. So what we have to do is, since we have H2O and H plus, a catalyst, they're going to combine to form hydronium. And then we can use, and this oxygen is going to abstract the hydrogen from the hydronium, and it's going to protonate into this. And now we have a good leaving group, because water is a good leaving group, because it's not a relatively strong base. It's a relatively weak base. So now that's going to leave, and at the same time, since we just formed another water molecule, since we abstracted that proton from hydronium, it's going to take this alpha hydrogen from the alpha carbon, and then we're going to form a double bond here. And I'm going to write it all the way down here. And what you get is this. You get alpha beta unsaturated. And it's unsaturated because of the double bond we have, because it's not fully saturated with the max amount of carbons it could have. And if you're questioning why we have this little delta sign here, that's a way to show that we have added heat to this reaction. And since this is an elimination reaction, you need to add heat, because elimination reactions typically have high activation energy. So it's an endothermic reaction. So you need to add heat in order to have this reaction spontaneously react. Thank you for watching.